Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you 25 stunning bridal styles for the modern Nigerian bride. Okay, so if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button for me. Okay, the video has started and I hope you are already enjoying it. This is the first style and we're moving on to the second one. So these bridal styles are styles that they are not just trends, they are statement styles that every modern Nigerian bride can recreate for their special day. Or even if you don't recreate it exactly, you can draw its inspiration from the styles, either from the color or from anything or how it is put together, or you can even recreate it exactly as it is, because AI styles are recreatable. Okay, they are very much recreatable. Okay guys, so these styles, they blend traditional Nigerian aesthetic with contemporary fashion. Like guys, it took a lot for me to get these styles. It's really difficult. It's not as easy as it seems. Some people think that AI is, because this AI is just easy. No, your creativity has to go into it. You also have to be very creative to be able to get these styles. Okay, so I know we are all familiar with the fox wrapper trend, and believe me guys, it's really difficult to get fox wrapper with AI. Not just fox wrapper, getting wrapper with AI is just something else on its own. Okay, but I try my best to do what I can to get these beautiful designs for you all. I have so many of these designs. I have so much of it. I have a lot of it. I don't even know if the ones that I'm posting are the most beautiful. In fact, I get confused sometimes because they are just too much and they are all very pretty. So if you'd like to see more of my designs, just let me know on the comment section. I'm going to curate an ebook and I'm going to make it really affordable so you get to see more of my designs. I have so many of them and they are all stunning and beautiful. Okay guys, so we are almost at the end of this video and I hope you found something for yourself. You find something that you like, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a nice day. Bye bye.